So what am I trying to say? We need, those people are qualified to be spiritual gurus. And if you come across that, you must collect a great amount of merits. You must have done great meditations, held on to your practices, kept your guru commitments and samayas, not breaking your samayas at all, purified your karma, and attained some level to come close to those kind of gurus who in one lifetime can bring you to enlightenment. I'm not saying that I'm such a great person that I've gotten that, but I've come across 13 great masters of that nature. Very, very great, that are all from Tibet, that are very elderly lamas. Some have already passed away. I've come across that, and I've seen what a real guru is. So when I come to Malaysia and I give Dharma teachings and people refer to me as guru, it actually takes me aback. It makes me, not offended, it makes me feel very embarrassed, very sad, and I would like to change that around and not be referred to as a guru, but as a spiritual friend. Because I do not have the qualifications of guru, far from it. But I've sat under holy gurus, and since you and I don't have the karma at this moment to be near the real gurus, well, let me help you prepare. Let me give you the Dharma talks and teachings for the next few years, next few lifetimes, to prepare to come across the real gurus. Now, in this time and age, to meet a guru of that perfection is very, very rare. Very rare. One is, the causes and conditions must be there for these great masters to manifest. And sometimes these great masters, although perfect by nature, may manifest in imperfect situations. Why? Because of our karmic limitations. Example, Lord Buddha had to defecate, had to urinate, got sick, manifested illness, manifested old age. But how can a Buddha who is free of all negative karma have pain, old age, and death? The very reason he practiced for 3 countless aeons. How can the Son of God, Jesus Christ, and I don't take that in a literal sense, a manifestation of an enlightened being, have pain?